Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap. Today is Friday night, and here we go. So let's see. The week started on the 7th, right? So 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Friday was the 11th. So on the 7th, this was the only trade that I had, pound Aussie, to the upside actually, but basically I wanted to see this thing to the downside. Later on, is a start to come down. Right. So, but anyway, on the 7th, and this is the only trade, 65 pip, and then on the 8th there was nothing, very bad, and then the 9th, this is Euro Newsy 20-minute, 9th December sell order here. You can see this was going up there before last week, and then this is the one coming down all the way, and that's a 90 pip. Right? On the 9th, and another on the 9th was Aussie yen. Not a big one, but just started here. 55 pip, very slow mover. Was moving very slow, so I closed it for 55. Here, pound cat, much better. Right, a little better, not much better, but 70 pip start to slow down, and I got out. It all depend on the daily range and at the time of the day, how far it has moved already or not, and the momentum. Then on the 10th, this is pound Aussie, after going up a little bit, then it started to come down here. So it was a beautiful down move. And then, uh, you know, right from here, it started to come down here, right? So beautifully came down all the way here for 100 pip. Nice entry here. Sell order just below 79.93. Nice trade. On the 10th, again, pound USD. And I've been posting separate videos about pound USD, shorting pound USD, right? You can see on my YouTube channel. I was expecting that below 50, 30, 35.02 is going to drop. So it just start dropping. And some nice trades. So this is one of them on the 10th. So pound USD from 7-minute chart, and nice and clean. Not much, but 50 pip, right? Something. And then on the 10th, you have pound yen. Excuse me, pound is the one that started getting weaker. So all pound pairs start dropping. I'll make a video on the pound index as well after this one, separate, but not gonna mix it. So pound yen 20-minute on the 10th, nice and clean, going to the downside for 75 pip. And here Euro Aussie, same token, beautiful entry. This supposed to be the good entry, but exactly at the 60 to 48, beautiful level, right? And but I missed that, and I saw it, and I says, you know what, I'm just gonna take this one. And so as soon as it got a couple of red candles, I got in here, and then it never looked back, right? So all the way down 105 on the 10th, Euro Aussie. Now on the 10th again, pound Aussie, since Aussie start getting strong, I'm gonna make a video on that as well later on. And excuse me, but I think probably I'm gonna put Aussie index and pound index in one video. Right? So this one, what's happening is Aussie started getting strong and pound was getting weaker, just going the opposite direction, and this pair just tanked big time, right? So this was my earlier entry, and then the second entry looked for 145 pip on the 10th. And then on the 10th, Aussie yen, Aussie was keep going to the upside. So, that's how it is. It's 105 pip on this one. And then Aussie yen, that was Aussie yen. This is Aussie USD, 130 pip. Look at that. Entry. I mean, keep going to the upside. Very nice and clean. Right? USD was getting weaker and Aussie started getting strong, and then boom, went all the way up. This was the entry, and then after this, look, nice and clean, 130. Then pound newsy, also I had a weekly chart saying that is going to tank, and it did. So all of these, I don't remember taking these, but probably one of them. But this is nice and clean, and then came down to 100 pip, right? These pairs like pound yen, pound Aussie, pound newsy, pound cat, they'll give you even a small trade like this. Forget about this. I mean, this like 200, more than 200 pip. But this is, a small move like that is 100 pip trade easy. You can just, mint. On the 11 pound USD, again, beautiful trade here. Earlier you saw one off of 7 minute, right? And then this is from the 20-minute chart for 105 pip pound USD. It just starting to drop, just starting to drop. A long way to go. So you have a lot to make in the coming weeks. And on the 11th, again, pound CAD, like I said, that these pairs, when they move, they really move. They're serious pairs. And right from here, it went up a little bit, but didn't take out my SL and then it started dropping. So here we go, 95 pip. And that's about it. All right. So these were nice trades for the last week. And I think that the next coming week is going to be much better because of the volume. Usually December is the dead month. I mean, it's very slow. All these years I experienced, that. But this year, what's happening is that Corona and a lot of people are not going nowhere, no vacation, no holidays, right? And no traveling. So what are they doing? They're sitting and trading. So now we still, in this this December, we still have a very nice volume going on, right? And it will probably increase more in January. So it's a very good time to learn about this forex business and start, taking the, positive trades, profitable trades. But it is also a very dangerous business if you do try to do it without learning. So it's very important to learn. All right. So on my website, I have these one-on-one coaching courses as well. So you might want to take a look into those things and learn properly, because a lot of people, the mistake what's done is that they learn wrong things, right? So it is very hard to erase the wrong things and then rewrite the right things. Right? Even if you write the right things, if the wrong things are still there, they will overlap and then create a mess. So it is very important, essential, imperative to learn the right thing from the beginning. All right. So this is how it is. Just wanted to show and share with you guys that if you need any help, if you are doing fine, if you are profitable, don't even think about changing it. Okay. If you have a good strategy, doing it fine, coming up even 40, 50 pip every single day, if you're making, you are a millionaire already. Okay. You can just increase the lot size and make ton of it. But if you're struggling and you still need to learn something and get going into this business, then you need to learn. And then go on my website right here, myforestmagicwave.com. You can subscribe monthly or get in with one of those learning courses and start doing it. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful and very safe weekend.